Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Please watch this video till end because in this video I am going to explain each and everything with salary, what is the eligibility criteria, each and everything I'm going to explain in this video. So please watch this video till end. So MKCL, which is hiring for the management trainee positions. MKCL is Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited. Okay, so they are inviting applications for the management trainee positions from the management graduates in the year 2019 or 2020 having an engineering background. Okay, so if there are friends, your friends, and they are interested, then those candidates also can apply. Okay, so management trainee is the position. MKCL is looking out for highly motivated candidate to work as a project associate to fulfill the following objectives: to attract talented, enthusiastic, proactive and fresh MBA from all parts of India, to select the best among them on purely merit basis through well designed competitive selection process so as to further enrich MKCL intellectual resource pool. Okay, so to offer them world class training and development inputs and learning experiences or live projects, to prepare them to take on the challenges to fulfill MKCL cherished mission objectives in the emerging global knowledge society with intellectually, emotionally and ethically rich mindset. So what is the eligibility criteria? This was the job description. What is the eligibility criteria? Openings for management trainee position require fulfillment of the following eligibility. MKCL invite application for the management trainee positions from MBA passed out in the year 2019 or 2020 having engineering graduation, preferably in computer engineering, IT, or electronics, with good scholastic background, then high mental ability, quantitative aptitude, sound foundations in computing and office automation tools. Those candidates who have completed their MBA with having an engineering graduation background, those candidates are eligible to apply, and pass out year needed 2019 and 2020. Okay, traineeship, the management trainees will be initially undergo 1 year training come assignments and internship in live projects at MKCL Pune, Navi Mumbai, Patna, Panchkula, then Bhubaneswar. All these will be the job locations. They will assign the job location as per the project requirement. First you need to go undergo 1 year training program. They will provide you assignments. That means it's a kind of internship. They will provide you 1 year training. Okay, on these locations, and they will assign you the projects. They will be paid an excellent stipend with other facilities during their traineeship. They will give you the salary in the form of that stipend. Okay, they will give you excellent stipend with the other facilities also they will provide you. The details of the compensation packages are given below. Total number of vacancies, there are total 40 vacancies, and your role will be as a management trainee. Once you select in the MKCL, your position will be management trainee. What is the application process? Candidate will have to apply online by visiting MKCL career page. This is the website that you need to visit, and you need to apply from here from August 2nd August. Last date to apply online is 2nd September 2021 till 5 p.m. Okay, and applications received after this date shall not be considered. We request all the candidate to enter correct and verified email address and mobile numbers, since any and all communication for the recruitment process will be done digitally. Being an exceptional year, the registration fees is being waived off. Okay, candidates shall go through a carefully drawn out a multi step selection process. Now moving towards the compensation, what will be the salary? The annual CTC for project associate is 5 lakh 3,354. Okay, annual package they are providing you 5 lakh. Okay, so click here to download the detailed compensation. Here I have already downloaded here. Let me show you. you can see the offer details for management trainee, staff type, project associate. Okay, this will be your CTC, compensation. Stipend 25,000 for the first year. They will provide you the first 1 year training. So during the training they will provide you 25,800 as a stipend. House rate allowance 5,160, transport allowance 3,600, then medical allowance 1,000 plus, then your gross salary will be 35,810. Deduction: project associate provident fund, PF will be deducted 3096. Deduction PF, tax will be deducted 200, and net monthly take home salary will be 32,514. Okay, provident fund employer, that means company will contribute this much amount in your PF. Then gratuity, that is employer's contribution, will be 1241. Total employer's contribution will be 4337. Total monthly compensation will be 40,147. Then picnic allowance 17,200. Then approximate premium for group or accident policy, they will provide 4,390, and your annual compensation will be 5,03,354. Okay, so other are the details here, that a maximum of rupees 200 shall be deducted each month towards, as a tax they will deduct 200 rupee. Due to pandemic situation, if company allows the employee to work from home, provisional work or provisional work from home mode pursuant to work from home policy of the company, then transport allowance which is paid for commuting to for the office will not be paid for such period. In addition to the above mentioned total annual compensation, there are many additional benefits, facilities and entitlements are below. Work environment: state of the art work environment including computing resources, development tools and platforms, broadband internet, library facilities, then pantry services, all this. Working hours as per MKCL's attendance policy: working days all weekdays except second and fourth Saturday, bi-weekly off, all Sunday and annual holidays, annual or public holidays 10 in each calendar year. Compensatory leave credit: 1 day leave credit against each full day working on the any public holiday, Sunday or bi-weekly off. Casual leave: 8 days of casual leave, 20 days of half pay leave annually for the calendar year pro rata basis. Okay, then the maternity leave or paternity leave shall be made applicable as per the MKCL policy. Work from home option is not available for the first year initially. Okay, training and development facilities: in-house training program, deputation to attend seminar, workshop, conferences, courses in India or abroad as needed, reimbursement of certification fees, registration to the various e-learning courses. See guys, you will also get a chance to learn the e-learning courses, membership of professional bodies, subscriptions of general journals, e-journals, digital libraries, picnics, excursions and get-togethers, reimbursement of charges for group booking for sport facility. The training and development facility mentioned above shall be available subject to specific approval from the managing director. Entitlement while an official permitted tour: reimbursement of fare will be payable as per the MKCL norms. Hotel accommodation entitlement: the quantum of the above entitlement will be payable as per MKCL norms. Reimbursement claim and tour advance settlement, if any, to be completed within 48 hours of the completion of the tour. Okay, so this was the working days, working hours, work environment, tax and salary details. Okay, so if you want to read this again, please rewatch the video. Okay, so that you will get again the clear idea that how much they are going to pay you during your internship, after completion of internship. Let me moving towards career path: first year, second year and third year. First year, your designation will be project associate, that means as a management trainee. Project associate in business development, and your salary will be 5 lakh per annum. In the second year, your position will be senior project associate 1. in the business development, your CTC will be 6.5 lakh. And in the third year, senior project associate 2 in the business development, your CTC will be 9 lakh. Okay, so this is a excellent opportunity. Those candidates who have completed their MBA in 2019 and 2020, this is going to be an excellent opportunity for you guys. So I really recommend you to please apply and don't miss this chance. Important dates, this job opening is already done on 2nd August. Last date to apply is 2nd September till 5 p.m. Mock online test Friday 3rd September and Saturday 4th September from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Online test stage 1 Sunday 5 September 2021 from 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. Then online test stage 1 result will be declared on Wednesday, that is 8 September 2021 at 5 p.m. Hands-on test and interview, that this is the stage 2, that is going to be conducted on Monday, that is 13 September to Friday 17 September. And inaugural function and joining formalities, that will be done on Friday 1st of October. Work location, the position is for project associate and job location is Pune, Navi Mumbai, Patna, Panchkula and Bhubaneswar. All these job location, they will give you they might give you the priority, like for which job location you are comfortable with. Okay, selection process will be online test, then hands-on test and final interview. Online test, that candidate need to take an online selection test from their home through MKCL online exam framework. For the online test, candidate must have good stable internet connection with a good desktop, laptop, computer with webcam and microphone. Candidate must be alone in the quiet environment for the duration of the exam. Conversation with anyone else is not permitted during the exam. Use of any reference materials, resources, mobile, tablet, okay, other things are not permitted. Mock test can be taken from 3rd September and 4th September. Between this time, online exam shall be conducted on September 5 from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. The results for the online test shall be declared on 8th September at 5 p.m. Maximum marks which can be obtained for online test is 100. Okay, so there are total number of questions 100. There shall be no negative marking. Okay, there will be 100 question with 100 marks and no negative marking. Multiple options will be given to each question. Each question will carry 1 mark. Test duration is 60 minutes. Syllabus for stage 1, MKCL expects that candidates should have the following skills and questions which will be asked based on the following sections. Tools, candidate must have IT skills, advanced level of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Windows. Candidate should have an excellent command over Microsoft Excel. Candidate should be able to present the concept through impressive PowerPoint presentation. Candidate should have complete command over Microsoft Outlook and should have email etiquettes. Then candidate should have ability to do research using internet for various tasks. Candidate should be able to create video presentation with voiceover. Okay, so these are the, like, you should have at least basic knowledge. Okay, so part 2, the candidates thus chosen shall perform but not restricted the following rules. The part 2 is business, part 3 is digital marketing, part 4 is quality and IPR, part 5 is people skills. Okay, so please read at least once these. Then stage 2, hands-on test and final interview. Final interview and hands-on test will be conducted from 13th September to 17th of September. Hands-on test will be based on part 1. Tools mentioned in the stage 1 above. This test will be conducted at MKCL Pune office. This situation may change dynamically based on the government guidelines. Terms and conditions, please read this one. Candidates are requested to submit only one form while registering and thereby create a single login. Only candidature of the applicants creating multiple logins shall lead to disqualification. The online test can be taken only once. No reattempts will be allowed under any circumstances. That means you can give your exam only once. So please check your internet connection before taking the exam. If any candidate is found indulging in any malpractice during the recruitment process, that candidate will be debarred from this recruitment process. MKCL reserve the right to cancel the candidature of any candidate if the any of the MKCL norms are seen to be violated. MKCL reserve the right to modify the selection as deemed fit. Okay, so all these things they have mentioned and I have told you. Okay, so if you have any question, then please watch the video again. So to apply for this management trainee, click on apply now button and check your eligibility first, whether you are eligible or not. You can check here that management education qualification required. You can select the option from here. As I already told, MBA and MBA equivalent postgraduate degree candidates are allowed. Okay, if I select MBA, suppose if I select MBA, then passed or appeared your management degree in the year, you can select. As I already told, 2019 and 2020 batch are allowed. If I select 2020 and your graduation degree, if I select, you should have engineering background. Okay, if I select BTech and click on check my eligibility, now you will see the at the right side top right corner, great, you are eligible for this drive. Okay, so click on please accept these terms and conditions and click on I agree and proceed. Then enter your mobile number, you will get OTP. Enter that OTP and please fill all the correct details only. Don't give any wrong details, because verification will be done once you get selected. So please give your mail ID correctly. For the further communication, they will send you online test link, interview details, hands-on test link, all those details will be shared with you. Okay, and these are the compensation details that I have already told you. Okay, so guys, please apply for this off-campus drive. MKCL conducting is very good, or providing you an excellent opportunity. Tomorrow is the last date, that is 2nd September is the last date. Till 5 p.m. you can apply. And please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this. And thanks for watching this video.